Hello humans, I am the Black Cat, and today we are moving on to Tier 6 of the Unexplained Mysteries Iceberg. So let's just jump into it. I can't believe I said that. Jeff the Killer is a popular creepypasta character depicted as a noseless, grinning, white-skinned man with no eyelids. The character is frequently used as a popular internet screamer, remember screamers? Along with becoming a largely popular creepypasta story. The character is also frequently associated with the phrase "go to sleep." Where the original photo came from, however, is a mystery. The image apparently first appeared in a YouTube video from Japan. Since then, there has been speculation about where the image came from. The main story that people go to is the story of a girl named Kathy Robinson who allegedly killed herself after she posted a photo of herself asking for compliments. And the internet did what the internet does, and people took her photo and photoshopped it to make her look horrible. Jeff the Killer photo being one of those photos. But of course, whether or not Kathy's story is real is also up for debate, and still nobody knows where this Jeff the Killer photo came from. In 1994 or 1995, a person was recording a radio station called WKCR when the music was interrupted by a really loud, high-pitched squealing mixed with heavy breathing and a woman making the deep breathing and a brief fading in of squealing. Eventually, loud inhaling can be heard with a loud exhaling. Further in the recording, a woman's voice is heard, possibly reading names of what could possibly have been snippets of obituary. After the voice faded and the station came back to normal, who the woman was and why the station was allegedly hacked is unknown. Some argue that the woman's voice is the same as the radio announcer's voice, and that it may have been a prank by the station themselves, possibly for attention, but who knows. The real question would be why? What's the point? This is just my personal opinion, but if you're going to go through the trouble of hacking a radio station, at least have something interesting to say. The existence of Nemesis is basically a theory that there's a 9th planet in our solar system. The theory goes that there could be another planet past Pluto in the Oort cloud, the Oort cloud being a collection of ice rocks that also follows the sun's orbit. Another theory suggests that the Nemesis, or the 9th planet, because it's so far out from the sun, its orbit could be erratic and that it could potentially disrupt the ice blocks in the Oort cloud, turning them into meteors and sending them crashing to Earth, possibly causing another extinction event. But of course, the existence of this planet is unknown. It's mostly a theory at this point, but it's certainly possible that there is going to be some kind of major extinction event that will end the human race, like the dinosaurs. But that's just theory. In India, between 1985 and 1989, several homeless people were murdered by having a large stone dropped on their head while they apparently slept. Unfortunately, because the murderer targeted homeless people who were sleeping in secluded areas, a lot of the victims couldn't be identified. The police were never able to find any information or clues about the killer. One theory is that it was actually more than one person, that there may have been one or two separate people doing it, or it may have been a group of people, or potentially one person started it and the others were just copycats. One victim managed to escape being killed, and he told the police there was only one man, but because it was night and he was attacked in an area where there wasn't a lot of light, he actually didn't get a good look at his attacker. And to this day, the identity of the killer or killers is still unknown. The All Sky Automated Survey for Supernova Assassin project basically reported that they noticed a usually bright star dim for a while, and then it came back to its normal brightness again, which is unusual behavior for stars. Usually if a star is about to go supernova, apparently it will go brighter. The researchers working on the Assassin project don't know why this happened, why this star dimmed and came back to being bright again. Some theories, of course, are suggesting that something actually moved in front of the star, blocking the light from view. So of course there's theories coming from that. Some of those theories include space dust moving past the star, an eclipse caused by a mysterious planet, and of course there's the theory that it may have been a large spaceship passing by. Researchers working on the Assassin project, obviously they dismissed the whole spaceship idea, but they still don't know what caused this star to dim and come back again. They theorize that there could have been something that moved in front of the star, but they don't know what it is. But they definitely say it's not aliens. But anyway, that's all the time I have for this video. We'll be moving on to Tier 7 next. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!